Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace BMW X3 wiper blades. First, gather your new wiper blades and a small flathead screwdriver. Ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the ignition completely off. It is also a good idea to place a protective towel or piece of cardboard on your windshield. This simple step helps prevent any accidental damage during the replacement process. We will make this task quick and easy for you, saving you time and money. Now let's remove the old wiper blades. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into its upright service position. Be careful not to let it snap back down. Next, look closely at the connection point where the blade meets the arm. You will find a small release tab or button. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old wiper blade straight off the hook on the arm. Repeat this for both sides. With the old blades removed, it's time to install your brand new ones. Take a new wiper blade and carefully align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it is securely locked in place. Once both new blades are attached, gently lower each wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Do this slowly to avoid any sudden impacts. Finally, let's test your newly installed wiper blades. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield washer fluid. Observe the blades as they clear the glass, ensuring they make full, streak-free contact across the entire surface. For optimal visibility and safety, it is recommended to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months or whenever you notice streaking or chattering. Enjoy your clear view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.